Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to enable autoplay on YouTube. Autoplay on YouTube automatically plays the next recommended video once the current one ends. So here is how you turn it on. First of all, open up the Google application and sign into your account on your device. Now play any video. After you start playing the video, go ahead and tap on the video player once to show controls. From the menu, go ahead and tap on the toggle switch at the top right, and right after you do that, you will be able to enable autoplay. Now the next video will play automatically after the current one ends. This is perfect for binge watching, tutorials, or music playlist. That is how you can easily enable autoplay on YouTube. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.